a metal that contributes to a more viable society. This is aluminium. Lightweight and corrosion resistant, it is present in our daily life in many different ways, making our life more practical. Infinitely recyclable, aluminium helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which are so harmful to the planet. Each recycling process demands only 5% of the energy originally used to produce aluminium. This metal, the metal of the future, is the one produced by Hydro in Brazil and around the world. It all starts in the state of Pará, in the city of Paragominas, where the company's bauxite mine is located. Hydro Paragominas, one of the largest in the world. Bauxite is reddish in color and rich in aluminium oxide. The ore is used in the production of alumina, the main raw material of aluminium. In Paragominas, bauxite is found in layers and undergoes three main stages: mining, beneficiation, and transportation. In the mining stage, bauxite is extracted from the soil. In beneficiation, raw bauxite is crushed and stored in a yard to be later washed and separated from clay. In the next stage, bauxite is classified in screens and hydrocyclones. The coarse material is fed into the ball mill to reach the proper size for transportation. The fine material moves on to another classification phase, where bauxite is separated from the tailing, and then it is ready to be pumped through the pipeline as slurry. The company's pioneering transport systems consists of a 244-kilometer-long pipeline. Bauxite slurry and water are pumped through an underground pipe crossing 7 municipalities and 4 large rivers, ending at Hydro Alunorte, the largest alumina refinery in the world, located in the city of Barcarena. At the refinery, the water contained in the slurry is removed by means of a process called dewatering. Hydro Alunorte also receives bauxite from Mineração Rio do Norte, a company which has Hydro as one of its shareholders. The ore coming from Porto Trombetas, western Pará, arrives in Barcarena at the Vila do Conde port. At the refinery, bauxite goes through digestion, where the alumina is separated from the residues contained in the ore. After precipitation and calcination, the end product is obtained: calcined alumina. In the state of Pará, Hydro produces aluminium at Albras, the third largest primary metal smelter in the Americas. Aluminium is produced through the electrolytic reduction of alumina, with electric current passing through anodes inside 960 pods. Molten aluminium is then transferred to the cast house, where it's maintained in holding furnaces to adjust the composition and temperature required to obtain the ingots. Molten aluminium is supplied to customers in Barcarena to be used in the production of cables, thus ensuring production verticalization in Pará. In the state of São Paulo, in the city of Itu, Hydro is a shareholder of a plant that produces aluminium precision tubes and extruded products widely used in the construction industry. Hydro's mission is to create a more viable society by developing natural resources and products in innovative and efficient ways. The values: courage, respect, determination, cooperation, and foresight guide the decisions that the company makes. The company is committed to perform its activities in compliance with the strictest environmental standards. Dialogue with different stakeholders is another priority for Hydro, and the operations develop projects that stimulate economic, social, and environmental development of the communities where they operate. Currently, more than one-third of Hydro's employees are located in Brazil. Health and safety are also priorities to Hydro. The company makes significant investment to make sure that employees work in a safe environment. With more than 100 years of industrial tradition, our ambition is to become leader in aluminium industry by combining performance, people, environment, and safety. Our aspiration is to be better, bigger, and greener. The aluminium we produce today ensures a better future for the next generation.